Welcome back. Today the mission is to try to find an Oriental turtle dove. I'm at Vallentuna, just northeast of Stockholm. I think it's the second sighting of this rare Central Asian dove here in Stockholm, so hope it's still here. Okay, I'm here at this spot now. The feeding station is here. Yeah, okay, I see it. It's in this tree here. Okay, here it is. Okay, here we have the Oriental turtle dove. It's separated from European turtle dove by the larger black centers of the cover. It's quite whitish on the undervent, which is presumably good for subspecies meena of the Central Asia. Oh, very nice. During the autumn of 21, there's been a good influx of pine grosbeaks into southern Sweden, and here in Vallentuna there's been a nice flock of around 20 birds feeding on rowan berries. Okay, here we have them. Second try for a great grey owl on Ingarö, close to where I live. Great grey owl is a bird from the boreal forests of northern Scandinavia and northern Russia. Sometimes in the late autumns and winters, these owls tend to move a bit further south. Okay, this is amazing. We just stumbled upon a western Capercaillie feeding in a pine tree. Try not to frighten it. So springtime, late March, time for woodpeckers. I'm at Styggkärret northwest of Uppsala, and I'm hoping to find some three-toed woodpeckers here. It's a nice place here, but it's very difficult to walk. There's lots of boulders and rocks and fallen logs to climb over, so hope not to break a leg. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's jump. So, without a compass, you're pretty lost here. Fantastic habitat here, very difficult to walk in. Oh, here's a three-toed. This thin birch. It's a female. Here's the female. Great views of a male three-toed woodpecker at Styggkärret northwest of Uppsala.